What's good? Hey, what's going on here?
Yeah, you're washing cars, nigga.
Huh?
Washing cars?
Washing
Yeah,
cars?
there's not enough soap in here.
What's going on over here?
Need more soap.
What's going on? Oh my god. What's going on? Oh shit, 350Z? Oh shit. 350Z nigga?
Hey, nigga.
Oh gang.
Get this. Oh shit.
Oh shit, there's people coming. Should I stop recording? Oh what? Oh word? Oh word? Akram!
Akram, you're not doing shit, nigga.
Yeah, you're honestly not doing anything.
There's no soap.
That's you're not doing anything on it. Hey, put it on that. Dude, you're fingering your car. He's fingering your car, nigga. I don't know what he, but look.
Hey, we're not doing shit, nigga.
I know we're not doing anything. Hey, you need help, nigga? You already know. Gang shit. You know, we were gonna go to Glenmore, but turns out we're gonna go wash the cars first. But yeah, this was what's going on all up in this bit. This is what's going on all up in this bit. Chill. Huh? What you wanna do, nigga? Look at this shit. Yo, there's a shoe right there. There's a shoe right here. Oh shit, word? A Beamer? M3 Beamer. Or Taco Bell. Littering. Hold on, I'm gonna help out the community. Oh, fuck that. Actually, nope. This shit looks a little weird. Ugh. You know how we do it. You know, what's up? It's 21 Donut, aka 21 Sandwich, aka Louis Salad. I'm doing vlogs now because I'm a bitch. Oh, word? Oh shit, 350? A 350? Owner? Oh, word, B? Akron with a strap. Oh, fuck, he blew it up.
Hey, but it says you're putting on.
That's water. Damn. Do that again, Fernando? No, I'm trying to get... Hey, Fernando, I think you missed a spot down there. Hey, Ekram, you missed a spot down there.
Where?
Down there.
Right here?
Yeah? A little bit?
Oh, there's a car behind us, nigga.
This is kind of awkward as fuck.
Nigga, we're not even in there.
Okay, I'm going over here, nigga. It's all awkward. Okay. Alright, so this nigga right here, right? he wanted change for a 10?
That nigga left with soap in his car.
And then he left with soap on his car. And now Fernando took the spot he was in. Because, dude, this is so fucking awkward. Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing, honestly. Off-white shit, nigga. On gang. Oh, shit. Pink? Oh, wait, pink rims? Pink? A ver? Some nigga died. There was a hearse. Pink rims? Question mark? Alright. Oh, pink Mustang? Oh, you got that shit live or you
Nigga, get the fuck away from me.
Oh,
Get the fuck out of here.
officer!
Get the fuck out of here.
On the dead homies?
The last minute, we have to rest. Yeah, if you have 2 minutes to leave, like, What the
Oh shit!
Don't fucking record me, bro.
Why not?
Get back.
Get back?
I'm gonna spray this shit.
Dude, I like how this thing is almost about to be finished. Even though we're not doing anything.
We have 15 seconds. 50, go fast. 50. You have 50. You have 50. You missed mine. You missed Right there. Right there. Stay on line. You have 20 seconds.
Yeah.
See these glasses, nigga?
Warframe, nigga.
What the fuck? 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, your beer. 2, 1.
Oh, word? You missed your rim. Hey, Fernando, you missed your rims. Yeah, you fucking missed the whole front. Holy God. You know why the flags are like that? It's because of the mass shootings that have been happening in the United States of America.
Yeah, we saw.
Say it.
With all that water, nigga, you can turn this shit on. This nigga, go like this nigga. Hey, don't put an AK in this. We've wasted $10.
Tom?
Tan. Hey, is that Nate?
Hey, Nate? What?
Did I say Tan? Did I say Tan?
No.
Okay. What was it?
I don't know.
Akram was like,
It's a car bumper.
we. I know, I couldn't talk.
No, but and then Israel couldn't talk either.
Bitches recording me, fuck you. Paparazzi everywhere.
What are you doing, nigga?
Yo, it's just fucking sick. Yo, look, my dick is right there. Where's my dick? Oh, where? Hey, beach. Yeah, I'm okay. Fuck.
I'm all alone at night, nigga. My brain hella good.
You do? You just don't give a fuck. You want to get 8 times.
Imagine crashing into him.